Hello everybody, this is MD Interactive. Thank you for watching and joining. A new video here. I haven't made a cryptocurrency video in a while, and this project here I decided to give a little bit of exposure and support it a little bit because it is a good project, a nice coin, and there is some good folks behind it. So the coin that I am talking about is a CryptoNote coin, CryptoNote based coin called Xaria, and the developer is a guy from England who is an electrical manager in his normal day job, and he has a background in fundraisers and charity work. Also his wife does some charity work in England as well with various organizations, so they have a background on doing charity, and he thought, well, why not make a cryptocurrency that can help the less fortunate people in the world to make a change. Now basically the concept of this coin is, I will be posting some technical details in this video as well, also in the description, that it is based on CryptoNote. There is a pre-mine, and that pre-mine is 15%. A large amount of that pre-mine will go to charitable organizations in the form of donations, and the other another percentage will go towards exchange listings. The devs of Xaria will not take a penny. They are planning to do donations for charity that the community can choose. I think the first charity is already made public, and that is Water Aid. That's a United States, US based charity, and so on. In the future of this coin, there might be some things happening as well. I do know about the supply. I think the supply is about 150 million or 100 million. I will post all those technical details in this video. So this will be just a short video to let you guys know that Xaria exists, and you can support it, maybe mine it a little bit, and tell some people about it. If you really want to support the cause, you can like and share this video, as well as come say hi in the MD Interactive Discord or the Xaria Discord. Feel free to ask any questions to the dev. Obviously this is not any type of financial advice to hold this coin or to invest in it. No, this is just purely a charity cause that maybe will do some good, and we'll see where it goes. So we'll just have an open mind. To be clear, my YouTube channel is not affiliated with Xaria coin. We spoke to each other, and I asked him, well, maybe I can help you with some exposure on YouTube. But before this, I was not affiliated with the development of this coin. I haven't pre-mined it or anything else. So this coin at the moment, it has a very low hash rate because it is quite unknown, and there is I think one exchange that is listing it at the moment, but the hash rate is at the moment is 100 kilo hashes. So for you miners, if you have maybe a small hash rate, this is the coin that you want to be mining, because you can get a lot of these coins on a laptop or a light CPU even. So that is what you want to be looking out for if you are such a miner. It can be a good opportunity for the future. So here he told me a little bit about the background of the project, which is pretty interesting. You guys can check out the work tips Discord, because he is an admin in the work tips Discord as well. I don't know what his background in the work tips Discord is, and if he also is doing a little bit on development, but for sure you guys are welcome to join in the Xaria Discord and support this project. I'm just letting you guys know. Here you can see more information about the different charities and what it's going to be. The community can vote for it. So here you already see some people with their charities and giving some suggestions. The wallet works well. It is pretty stable. It doesn't take a lot of space, so that is a positive side. Like I said, it's CryptoNode based, so very reliable, fast. Also, there will be an introduction of fees later on, also to give to the charities. So that is things you should know. So there will be a portion of these coins going to charity, and I think that it's a good cause. So that's it. Hopefully we can make a change together, and we can get some coins to the people who need it most, and small steps for sure. So any help, any exposure and assistance is much appreciated. Here you can already see the charity rounds. So water aid here. So I'm gonna, here you can see the roadmap. So this is just a small but quality project, and I like it because of that. Thank you for watching, and last but not least, the Xaria devs will be completely transparent with the transactions. So they're gonna be showing the transactions in and out of the Xaria wallets, also in the Discord, if you have any doubts about that, in order to alleviate any concerns. So that is important, that the money or the coins that this project creates will go to the right causes. And obviously we can never know for 100% if the charity organizations spend that money in the right way, but that is a larger problem which we have some influence on, but not full control. So I am sure that the developer of Xaria will keep a very good eye on that, so that the charities that Xaria will be supporting are genuine and legit. Okay guys, if you have any questions, doubts or suggestions, just let it know in the comment sections. Don't be afraid to ask anything. It is much appreciated. Take care and have a good day.